Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Gas Grill Conversion Kit is probably one of the most sought-after grilling accessories for those who love to cook outdoors but need the flexibility to switch between fuel sources. Whether you're moving to a new home, going camping, or simply want the option of using propane instead of natural gas, this conversion kit offers a seamless transition, ensuring you can continue to enjoy delicious grilled meals wherever you are. This video will take an in-depth look at what makes this kit stand out from the competition and guide you through the conversion process. Number 5. Blackstone 5249 Conversion Kit. This kit makes switching your Blackstone griddle from propane to natural gas easy and efficient. It's made in the USA and includes everything you need for a smooth conversion. You'll receive a 10-foot natural gas hose, quick connect fitting, orifices, thread check gauges, and an orifice wrench. Everything is here for a complete conversion. It's designed for use with Blackstone's 28-inch and 36 griddles, tailgaters, range-top combos, and single-burner Rex stoves. Check to ensure your model is compatible. Simply follow the included instructions for a quick and straightforward installation. You'll be cooking with natural gas in no time. Please note that it is not compatible with Blackstone's 17-inch and 22 griddles, pizza ovens, or griddles with air fryers. This kit is optimized for larger Blackstone models. Upgrade your Blackstone griddle to natural gas with this comprehensive kit. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency of natural gas cooking. What we like. This kit has everything you need for a seamless conversion. It's made in the USA, ensuring high quality. If you own a Blackstone griddle and want a reliable conversion, this is the one for you. What people say. The installation process was remarkably straightforward. The kit comes with clear and concise instructions, making it easy for even someone with limited DIY experience to set up. I was able to complete the conversion quickly, and it worked seamlessly with my griddle. The conversion kit's build quality is also noteworthy. It feels durable and well-made, assuring me that it will last for a long time. The components fit perfectly and securely, leaving no room for leaks or instability. Everything you need is included. We watched a couple of videos online and was able to install it pretty quickly. Number 4. 12-foot NG hose with quick connect. This hose is perfect for connecting your gas grill or other appliances to your natural gas supply. It's made with high-quality materials for long-lasting durability and reliability. It boasts high-quality rubber construction and solid brass connectors. This ensures resistance to weather, cracking, and rust, providing a long lifespan. It's compatible with many gas appliances, including Weber and Charbroil grills. It's the ideal solution for all your natural gas connection needs. With quick disconnect brass fittings, it's incredibly easy to install and remove. You'll be up and running in minutes. At 12 feet long with a 1-2-inch diameter, it provides ample gas flow for even the largest grills, up to 135,000 BTU per hour. We're here to help. If you have any questions or need assistance, we offer comprehensive guidance to ensure a smooth and satisfying experience. What we like. This option boasts superior durability and a long lifespan thanks to its high-quality materials and CSA certification. It's perfect if you need a robust and versatile solution for various gas appliances. If you prioritize quality and longevity, this is your best bet. What people say. Nice hose, fittings look nice and work well. Very well made, solid construction. Even comes with a roll of Teflon tape, the 1/2 to 3/8 tubing reducer needed when removing the regulator. My old line was 3/8 and with this 1-2-inch line my barbecue is plumbed with the correct sized line that is needed to operate correctly. The brass adapter fitting is the right size. Very easy to install. Number 3. WADEO Natural Gas Conversion Kit. This kit makes switching your Blackstone griddle to natural gas a breeze. It includes everything you need for a quick and easy conversion. You'll receive 16 precisely sized orifices, along with helpful tools like a thread gauge and orifice tool, plus clear instructions. Everything is included for a smooth installation. It's designed to work with your Blackstone 28 and 36-inch griddles, as well as other compatible models. Always double-check your model number to ensure compatibility. Installation is straightforward, even for beginners. With the included manual and tools, you can complete the conversion in about 25 to 45 minutes. It's made from durable solid brass, ensuring a secure, leak-proof connection and long-lasting performance. You can enjoy it for years to come. This compact kit is perfect for outdoor cooking adventures. Take it camping, tailgating, or wherever your culinary journey takes you. What we like. With its all-brass construction, this kit offers superior corrosion resistance. It's also easy to install, even for beginners. If you're comfortable with a DIY project and want a durable, long-lasting solution, this is a great choice. What people say. Very well described and lots of extra parts. These worked great for my natural gas conversion for my Blackstone. Larger orifices. I converted my Blackstone 36 griddle from propane to natural gas and love it. They are super easy to replace the nozzles with the tools provided. Number 2. 5249 Blackstone Griddle Conversion Kit. This kit makes switching your Blackstone griddle from propane to natural gas easy and safe. It's designed for a seamless transition, ensuring you can enjoy delicious food no matter your fuel source. The kit comes with a 10-foot natural gas hose, quick connect fittings, and all the necessary orifices and tools for installation. It's a complete solution for a worry-free conversion. It's built with durable, high-quality rubber and solid brass fittings for long-lasting performance and leak-free operation. You can trust it to withstand various weather conditions. This versatile kit is compatible with many Blackstone griddles, including the 28 and 36 models, as well as other appliances. Please check compatibility before purchasing. It includes orifices of different sizes for both main and edge burners, ensuring efficient and safe gas flow. This results in optimal cooking performance. The kit is designed for easy installation and provides a safe, reliable connection. Enjoy worry-free grilling with this superior conversion kit. What we like. This kit prioritizes safety and efficiency with its high-quality materials and leak-proof design. It's specifically designed for Blackstone griddles, ensuring a perfect fit. If you're looking for a safe and efficient conversion for your Blackstone, choose this one. What people say. Only took 30 minutes to complete the conversion and no more propane tanks. Super great kit. Comes with everything and more to go from propane to natural gas. This works quite well. The hardest part of the conversion was screwing the replacement burners in since the tool doesn't hold the threads out when you're putting it in. The satisfaction is when the burners light up after one click. Number 1. PatioGem 12 feet gas grill conversion kit. Effortlessly convert your propane grill to natural gas with this versatile kit. It's designed for easy installation and comes with everything you need. Simply replace your propane orifice with the included natural gas orifice. The kit includes easy-to-use connectors for a quick and secure connection. This kit is compatible with many KitchenAid grills and other appliances. It's perfect for various uses, from backyard barbecues to patio heaters. The 12-foot hose provides ample reach, and its high capacity ensures efficient performance for all your grilling needs. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer support. We're here to help you every step of the way. Before ordering, please check your appliance's BTU rating and gas line diameter for optimal compatibility. Contact us if you have questions. What we like. This kit offers a simple and straightforward installation process, perfect for those looking for a quick and easy conversion. It's also highly versatile, suitable for various appliances. If you have a KitchenAid grill and want a hassle-free conversion, this is ideal. What people say. Connected a flat-top propane griddle to the house gas line. As a complete novice installing this onto a year-old barbecue, the directions could have been easier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.